Hey, what's up, YouTube? This is your girl Seaying, I know right here on YouTube and the North on Facebook. How y'all doing? I've gotten a lot of videos about Tyre Nichols and how they acquitted them on all charges. I appreciate some of y'all viewpoints or whatever, but the only thing that I can say is I saw one testimony where they were saying that this is how they train that Scorpion Squad. So I did see that. A lot of people upset. I can understand it. A lot of people don't understand why things are the way that they are. They don't understand why they had to go, to another county, another town. I think another county. I don't think it was another town. Because if I'm not mistaken, Memphis is big. Is there a lot of drugs on the street? A lot of guns? I don't know. But one thing that I do know is that people are upset. And I can kind of see why they don't feel like justice was done. My heart goes out to Tyre's mother, his siblings and everything. But I tell people all the time, you never know how things are going to come out in a jury trial. You just don't know. We're sitting among our peers. People have brought it to my attention, which I already knew it, that the whole, jury pool was made up of Caucasian. If I'm not mistaken, it was 6 and 10, because, they have to have alternates. I think they said 10 women, 6 men. I'm not sure. But I don't know why they would do that. I don't know why the DA would have done it. Not the prosecutor. The DA nor the lawyers for the defendants. I don't know. I don't, I know a lot of people are upset. I hope it does not cause something else to happen. From my eyes, it seems like that there was excessive. I wasn't in the courtroom. I've never been in the courtroom. I'm only going based upon what I see. But when I continue to get a lot of videos and a lot of people saying it's not right, is this, that, and the other, you do have your right to your opinion. But they did bring them before our peers. And, I tell you all the time that a lot of people that's walking amongst us are guilty. And a lot of people in prison are innocent. Excuse me. But, I can imagine it was a slap in the face to the family. As it would have been a slap in the face to me. But the trial, it is over. I know someone asked, would they seek another trial? The DA really says it's too early to see that, which I don't really think they will. But now remember, they did find them guilty in federal court. So something is going to come down the pipes from that, I'm sure. I feel sorry for the mother and the family. I do. I'm sure this was the state case, and then the federal was waiting until the state did it. Till the state did theirs before they sentenced them. So I'm sure sentencing is coming. 2 of them, and I can't even tell you their names. I just remember Mills, I think, and Martin maybe. But they'll be, they actually turned states federal evidence or whatever, and they took a plea deal. So, now we'll wait for the sentencing. I guess when I heard them say, or well, not them, let me say when I heard the judge say what he said, I kind of knew what way it was going to go. And I think I kind of told Tia that last night. That if he says, no matter how things are, you know, contain yourselves. If you don't think you can accept whatever the jury says, go ahead and excuse yourself. You remember me telling you that? And I told her I had heard that in real life. And the person was acquitted on all charges. So I just told her, I said, if I hear that today, tomorrow, if the judge starts saying that before they hand down what's going on, you can kind of, from my experience, I kind of knew that would happen. And I told Tia, don't be surprised if they found him innocent. And she kind of just looked at me like, Doc, are you all right? I just said, don't be surprised. And you see what has happened. Y'all, this is your girl, Seaying All Knowing, right here on YouTube with Tia, and The Knowing on Facebook with Tia. Let's continue to pray, because now maybe some closure will come from the mother. Maybe. We'll see y'all on the next video. Bye.